Okay, here I have onion, mushroom, kale, and green onion. I'm sauteing that up. I'm going to add some nutritional yeast. You can get that at the health food store, sometimes at the grocery store. And I'm going to use that like a tea. Let's get some of that in. I'm going to add some garlic salt. I don't think I'm going to use regular salt since I use the garlic salt. And I put about a teaspoon of oil in this pan. And everything's just about done. I just have to cook the mushrooms a little more. Smells amazing. Okay. I think I'm going to have it on a tortilla. Let me even heat that up for a second. About 20 seconds. And back here. It cooks pretty quickly. I'm really ready to kind of take it out now, but the mushrooms aren't done. Add a teaspoon of oil. And this is soybean oil. Just a little bit more. There we go. Yeah, now we're cooking. My little helper's in school today. She'll be right here wanting out. So I'm trying to do more of a plant-based diet. Hold on, I'm trying to get this tortilla out of the microwave. So this is like the perfect meal. And this is probably 2 to 3 servings right here. And sometimes, even for a twist, I'll add a little taco seasoning. Just to give it a smoky taste. I'm going to put a little of that on there. So the seasoning, whatever you like, just add. I mean, you could put some tomato paste in here and make it like a burrito. Okay, this is about the consistency I want. The mushrooms are not really cooked all the way through, but that's okay. Okay, that's enough. Place this here. And just take up maybe a spoonful right in the center. I'm going to hot it up. Can you see that? No, you can't. That's what I mean. My kitchen is not set up for this kind of stuff. So I have to do it one-handed. Easy shaking it. Okay. It smells so good. Okay. So I'm going to put it in the middle. And try to fold this. So fold that up. Fold that over. And then fold that over again. Then you can just pick it up and eat it like this. So this is lunch. And with this burrito, I probably, with this tortilla, it may even, I might not even be able to eat the whole thing. Sometimes with the tortilla, it just kind of really fill you up. So you can try any vegetables that you want and any seasoning you want to make it taste any type of Well, I have to taste that. That's good. Any kind of seasoning you want or anything. Well, I'm going to have my lunch. Thank you. Bye.